Hey, it's my birthday today, so it's time for me to show you my favorite cookies. Elvis Pudding Cookies. It has my favorite ingredients inside. You need to grab yourself a bowl. We need about 1.5 sticks of softened butter, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup creamy peanut butter. Let's cream that together until nicely combined. 2 eggs, teaspoon vanilla, mix well. We need another bowl for dry ingredients. 2 1/4 cup flour, teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3.4 ounce box of banana cream instant pudding. Combine. Slowly add the dry to the creamy and mix it well. I'm adding some bacon pieces and a cup of chocolate chips. Mix that together. I've covered it in plastic wrap and now I refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. Time to roll some dough balls and put them down on a tray. Bake those at 350 for 8 or 9 minutes. Elvis Pudding Cookies. Whoa. It's very banana-y right away, and then you taste those pops of bacon and chocolate. It's a great way to celebrate my birthday. Why was Elvis covered in soda? Because his bottle was all shook up. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm all shook up. Thank you very much.